Basic behavior. Animation by Katie. Do not open Alice's room. Warning, blood and gore. Okay, this is a random school where people get killed if they get things wrong. Hi, we're Oliver and Zip. We're the troublemakers. Learning is fun. Welcome to paper school. I am just here. Oh my god, I got to go to school now. We are just random kids who want to have fun. Now there's a weird, crazy person. The crazy person is walking into the room. The crazy person is cooter-cootering. Miss Bloomy is a snake. Oh, who said I love Alex XD? Ha 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 ha.
I'm gonna kill you. You got the answers all wrong. And I hate that. So now you're gonna die.
Help! Oh no, what's happening? I'm getting chased by an evil girl who's trying to kill everyone and eat. You got an F. Oh no, you're gonna die.
Yummy.
Oh my god, what happened? My whole torso just moved. Hi, I'm Miss Davil. I'm going to kill you if you get anything wrong. Hi, I'm Miss Bloomy. I'll kill you too. I'm Ruby. I'm Happy Hopscotch ripoff. I'm Angel. Hello. I'm Miss. We're actual paper. I'll choose a book. Alice's room. Do not open. Oliver. Oh no. I'm Oliver. I'm Zip. I guess we got our names wrong. Oh wait, Alice is my girlfriend. Why is this so cringe? Why does Oliver love Alice? That's so cringe. Do.
You got it, F.
Hides.
You got your answers wrong.
What are you doing? Wait, Angel? Run while you still can. Run. Hi. Exit. There's an exit. Don't go in there. That's Alice's room. Oh no. Okay, so this is basically the colored versions. Wait, isn't that Claire? Oh no, Oliver and Zip are probably in big trouble. He, I'm gonna kill you. Oh my god, everything is color now. Wait, what happened? Alice's room, exit. Zip, Oliver, what are you doing?